Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find your saved post collection on Instagram. Okay, so here I've already opened my Instagram, and if you want to find the post that you save, so let's say that I saved this post to my Instagram, you can just go to your profile to find it, and then click on the three lines icon at the top, click on save here, then you'll be directed to the save page. And to see the post, you can just click on the all post option, click on this thumbnail, and here are the list of post collection on my Instagram. So this is the latest one that I saved before. You can see that it's in there. Okay, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks or like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye.